national parks, we have 11 parks of nature. 25% of our whole land is protected nature. The national park Krka is our second most visited park in Croatia. The first one is Krka Lakes. Krka Lakes have more than 1 million visitors during 1 year, and the national park Krka has around 800,000. National park, you go all around and check all the beauties of the national park Krka. You'll need at least 3 days. But we are now heading towards the most visited part of the park. It is only allowed to swim only on one spot and nowhere else in the park. The national park Krka have 7 beautiful waterfalls, but Roški Slap is the biggest one, but Skravinski Buk is the most beautiful one. The national park Krka is just like Krka Lakes, made out of travertine waterfalls. Because the water rich of calcium carbonate, it melts down and it's sticking onto the rocks. The travertine grows 1 centimeter in 1 year.
Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. Now today, as I mentioned, we're heading to Krka Waterfall. As you've seen, we have already arrived to our destination.
Repping.
Hey, gang.
Can't wait to go swimming in that.
So obviously we've just got to the toilet, got changed. Well, he's gone to a vest. And this is the first stop. This is the view that we are greeted with. Obviously we've walked to this destination. There's a little circle you can do. Obviously the final bit would be the Krka Waterfall itself. And this is the whole, what's this called? It's a national park. Yeah, there's a lot to do here. A lot of what? So you've got waterfalls, you've got food spots here, and you've got toilets over there. And then you've got the whole footpath which leads around this way. Obviously, like I mentioned, we've walked to this bit first just to see what there is. We bumped into this, thought I'd start the vlog here. And then of course you go all the way around and then you end up at the Krka Waterfall. So we're going to do that now and see where we end up. Ready?
Yes.
And let's go with the B-roll. Look at that beautiful sunshine. Weather's amazing today as well, nice and hot.
Alright, Chris. Go off the bus and guess what? You're gonna get sick. Insert confetti and applauding here. And now we are just... Oh, look at that glow. Dude, bro, modern looks like. We're just chilling about on ice cream. Let's go get some ice cream, bro. But no, what do you think of the park? I think what they said, like 17 waterfalls in one park. It's just stupid like that. Yeah. What about the main one? Yeah. It was nice. However, battle scar, I'll show you later. Because the rocks are bare slippy. We'll get ice cream. But overall, sick.